English learners. Welcome to One English Pod. This podcast is for people learning English. We speak slowly and use easy words. Every episode, we bring you 2 real-life dialogues. They're short, simple, and fun to listen to. We also explain the useful phrases after each one, so you understand everything and feel more confident using English. Today, we have 2 great dialogues to enjoy and learn from. Each one shows a different kind of everyday conversation, and both are full of personality. The first dialogue is a light and funny situation between 2 friends. They're relaxing, enjoying a bag of chips, those delicious salty snacks. Everything is perfect until one of them accidentally locks them out of the house. But even in that little moment of panic, the friends stay calm, joke, and come up with a plan. This kind of moment happens in real life, and in English, we often deal with it using humor. You'll hear funny expressions and casual language that's great for friendly conversations. The second dialogue is about something strange that happened during the night. 2 neighbors are talking about a loud sound that woke them up. It turns out the sound came from someone testing speakers. But then they move on to talking about a mutual friend, Marcus, who is always doing too much at once. He's starting a bakery, finishing law school, and making future plans that sound impossible. It's a fun, modern, and very relatable conversation. These 2 dialogues will help you learn how to express surprise and confusion. Use humor when problems happen. Talk about sounds, neighbors, food, and plans. Describe busy people in casual English. We'll listen to each dialogue one time. Then we'll explain useful expressions and phrases and give examples. Let's begin with the first one. Get ready to laugh.
These chips are dangerously good.
I know. I opened the bag 5 minutes ago and now it's almost gone.
Honestly, worth it.
You know there's a new chip and cheese place downtown?
What? Like just chips and cheese?
Yep. Fries, nachos, potato wedges, all covered in cheese.
That's beautiful. We should go this weekend.
Agreed. It's basically our dream in restaurant form.
I'll wear stretchy pants.
As you should.
Wait,
Did you hear a click?
what click?
I think I just locked us out of your house.
What? No way.
I stepped out to throw the trash, and the door shut behind me.
You're joking.
I wish. My chips are inside.
Not the chips.
Yes, the chips, and my phone, and my dignity.
Okay, don't panic. Let's go next door and ask to use their phone.
You think they'll let us in just like that?
We brought them cookies once. I think we have credit.
If they say no, I'm climbing in through their window.
Please don't. Just let me do the talking.
Fine. But I get first dibs on the chips when we're back in.
Deal. Let's go beg the neighbors with charm.
What a funny situation. Let's talk about some great expressions from this dialogue. Dangerously good. This is a fun way to say something is so tasty you can't stop eating it, almost like it's too good. Worth it. This means something was a good idea, even if it had a cost like calories. Chip and cheese place. A casual way to describe a restaurant that only sells chips, fries, nachos, and cheese. Stretchy pants. This is a joke. It means loose pants you wear when eating a lot of food. Locked us out. To be locked out means you can't get back inside because the door closed and you don't have keys. You're joking. A way to say, is this real? When something surprising happens. My dignity. This is a humorous way to say, I feel a little embarrassed. Let's go next door. A casual way to say, let's visit the neighbors. We brought them cookies once. I think we have credit. Funny way to say, they might help us because we did something nice before. Climbing in through their window, said as a joke, but it means trying to sneak in another way. First dibs. This means first choice or I want to go first. With charm, this means asking politely, with a smile, maybe a little sweet talk. It's a silly story, but full of real casual expressions you can use with friends. These phrases are great for friendly conversations when something unexpected happens. Now let's go to the second dialogue. This one's about strange sounds, pets, and a very busy friend.
Did you hear that strange noise last night?
Yes, it sounded like drums, or maybe a marching band.
Right? I thought there was a parade at midnight.
It was just Mr. Bennett testing his new speakers.
Those were speakers? I thought someone was building a rocket.
Honestly, I kind of liked it. It felt like a free concert.
Yeah, but my dog didn't like it. She barked for an hour.
Poor dog. Mine hid under the blanket and didn't move.
This street gets stranger every week.
And I love it. It's never boring here.
Speaking of strange things, guess who sent me a voice message this morning?
Who?
Marcus?
Does he ever rest? What's he doing now? Learning Japanese while skydiving.
Close. He's starting a bakery on wheels and finishing law school.
That's so Marcus. He's always doing 5 things at once.
He asked me to get coffee sometime in December.
It's June.
I know.
I love Marcus, but I think he lives in a different world.
One with 42 hours in a day.
Meanwhile, I was happy because I watered my plant today.
Look at us, still doing okay.
Surviving is enough.
Let's break down some of the great phrases in this chat. Strange noise just means a weird sound, something you don't hear often. Marching band, a group of people playing music and walking in the street, usually during parades. Speakers, the devices that play music. Mr. Bennett's speakers were very loud. Felt like a free concert. Means it was so loud it was like a music show, but from home. Hid under the blanket, common thing scared pets do. It's cute and shows how loud the sound was. This street gets stranger every week. A way to say, a lot of strange things happen here. Guess who sent me a voice message? Sets up a surprise. Something fun or shocking. Learning Japanese while skydiving. Exaggeration but funny. Shows how Marcus always does extreme things. Bakery on wheels. a food truck that sells baked goods. Finishing law school, he's studying to be a lawyer. At the same time, 5 things at once means doing many things at the same time. In December, it's June, a funny way to show how far away Marcus's plans are. He's always busy. Lives in a different world means someone thinks or lives very differently from others. 42 hours in a day. Another joke. We all have 24 hours, but Marcus seems to have more. Watered my plant, a very simple task, but the speaker is proud, shows contrast with Marcus. Still doing okay. Surviving is enough. These phrases mean I may not be perfect, but I'm doing fine. It's a fun, modern conversation. It reminds us that everyone moves at their own pace, and that's okay. So today, we had 2 great dialogues. First, a snack situation gone wrong, with chips locked inside. Then, a nighttime mystery and a conversation about a very energetic friend. We learned fun, casual phrases and how to express surprise, plans, and little accidents. Repeat the expressions, practice them with someone, and most of all, enjoy learning English with stories. Thanks for joining us on One English Pod. See you next time. Keep smiling, keep learning,